Assalamu alaikum. My name is ولید, son of Umran and I belong from Punjab. I am a student at BushraAhsanFoundation Memorial Foundation. Today I am going to start on a journey of self-discovery and development. With each step I accepted the challenges and opportunities that shaped me into who I want to be. Today I am resilient, determined and ready to face whatever comes in my way. So this is my story and I will share it with courage and conviction, knowing that the best is yet to come. I got myself introduced to this foundation through their advertisement. I researched about it by visiting their website, getting more knowledge about the courses provided by them. At this foundation, I have gained a lot of knowledge about IT and media. Along with this, I have also gripped over the communication skills which play a great role in someone's personal branding. So I must say that this foundation is a great opportunity for those who want financial independence in their careers. Allah has blessed us with such a great opportunity. So I am deeply grateful to this foundation for its great strive towards the growth of our youth.